Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use cPanel in Hostinger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with managing your account. So here you can get started with registering for a new one if you don't already have one, and you can log into your existing account. So after you log in, you can get started with setting up cPanel in your computer. So once you set up cPanel, it's going to work like this and look like this. This is your dashboard where as you can see you can find your email section, your files, file manager, databases, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started using cPanel and Hostinger. So basically, as you can see right here on the official Hostinger website, we have an option to take a look at how you log into cPanel and Hostinger. Basically, guys, you're going to go ahead and access the homepage of your hPanel and click on the Manage button that is going to appear. So open up the homepage right here. This is the login homepage where you can log into your Hostinger. And once you open up that, you can click the Manage option. There, you're going to go and see an option that says Login to cPanel in the lower left corner. So by clicking Login to cPanel, it's going to take you to the next page where you can go ahead and start using cPanel and logging in. You can even use direct URL right here. As you can see, you'll be able to find your access links, username, password, everything using the direct URL. So you have two options you can try. You can find this article right here on the official support hosting website if you need any more help to follow it step by step and take a look at how it works. But yeah guys, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. If you need any help, find this article right here and get started with logging into cPanel. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.